Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Instagram Reels 3 hashtag rules. So let's get straight into the video. So the Instagram 3 hashtag rules require you to limit your Reels captions to just 3 highly targeted hashtags instead of the old 30 tag limit. This shift moves focus from spammy hashtag stuffing to SEO, allowing Instagram's AI to better categorize your content. So what you want to do is you want to choose ultra targeted hashtags. So when it comes to reels, if you look at multiple different reels that have been performing well, it has very less hashtags. What you want to do is you want to be very specific. So skip generic tags like viral or FYP. Use tags that describe the exact topic, industry, or niche of your reel. Also mix a broad category with smaller, highly engaged community tags, using one tag with like 500k plus posts and then two with under 50k plus posts. Also, since you only get 3 hashtags, Instagram relies heavily on keyword-rich captions and on-screen text, so go ahead and enter those as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.